If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com.
There are many options for processing customer refunds in QuickBooks Online. If the customer would rather take the value of the return or refund as a credit they can apply to current or future invoices, then you can create either a credit memo or a delayed credit. The main difference between a credit memo and a delayed credit is that a credit memo is a separate transaction applied to a customer's open balance in the receive payment window, either immediately or later, depending on whether QuickBooks automatically applies customer credits or not. While a delayed credit is a line item credit you must manually apply within future invoices when you later create invoices for the customer. You can change whether QuickBooks Online automatically applies customer credits to invoices or whether you want to apply customer credits manually by toggling the Automatically Apply Credits toggle switch in the Automation section of the Advanced category in the Account and Settings window on or off, and then saving your changes. This setting determines if QuickBooks Online automatically applies credit memos to the oldest invoice when you next receive a payment from the customer in the Receive Payment window, or if you apply them manually within the Receive Payment window. Apart from creating customer credits, to process an immediate customer refund or return via cash, check, or credit card, you can create a refund receipt. Additionally, if a customer gives you a down payment or prepayment you record in the Receive Payment window and then wants a refund, you can write them a check or expense and then match it to the existing credit in the Receive Payment window if needed. Ultimately, when handling refunds and returns in QuickBooks Online, you and the customer must decide the best option to use for your situation. The next lessons in this chapter show you how to create all these transactions in QuickBooks Online.
Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.